Hey, what's up YouTube? It's me again, Matt. But before the quick unboxing, let me have a peppermint tea first. Getting used to hot tea lately. Oh, it's hot. Okay, so we'll have a quick unboxing. But first of all, thank you for Lazada for the sponsor. I've already saw the description, but let me unbox this first. Okay, so from the description it says it's a braided paracord wrist strap lanyard for cameras, and here it is. Here's a simple paracord wrist strap. I've already owned a wrist strap before, but this one is a cheap but gets the job done. It's a wrist strap. This side, okay, so it's has an adjustable mechanism. So this side attached to the camera, and this one goes to the hand, and you can adjust it based from the size that you'd like. Okay, so this one is useful for protecting your cameras. So yeah, once again, thank you Lazada for the sponsor of this wrist strap, and I can go back to my tea now, and let me know your experience in Lazada shopping. Thank you.